The key feature for me is biocompatibility and safety of the material of the lens. And on top of that, the vision it provides is really sharp. And what patients tell to us is that the distance vision is perfect, intermediate vision is perfect, and near vision is functional. So they can live a day without using the glasses in 90 to 95% of a day, but they still need reading glasses for prolonged reading at 40 to 45 centimeters. So the everyday activities like eating, computer work, cell phone work can be done without glasses. And as well, the driving and stuff like that at night, it's pretty much perfect. It performs pretty much the same as standard monofocals. There is no new disturbances, there is no dysphotopsia, halos, glare. So it depends on the eye illness the patient has, but the quality of vision is much more better than with monofocal lenses. So they got the same results as the patients who doesn't have the mild eye diseases. It's important to provide the good quality of the lenses to all people, to all patients, not just to healthy eyes. We recommend to all patients to get upgrades to extended range of vision lenses. They will use glasses much less than with normal monofocals.